Check out this list of the top 15 YouTube niches and the average CPMs. Number 15. Video games. The average CPM is $1.40. Number 14. Music. The average CPM is $1.46. Number 13. Bodybuilding and fitness. The average CPM is $1.60. Number 12. Reviews and reactions. The average CPM is $2.03. Number 11. Tech and gadgets. The average CPM is $2.39. Number 10. Cooking. The average CPM is $2.50. Number 9. Entertainment. The average CPM is $2.74. Number 8. Fashion and clothing. The average CPM is $3.13. Number 7. Lifestyle. The average CPM is $3.47. Number 6. Cars. The average CPM is $4.23. Number 5. Photography and filmmaking. The average CPM is $7.31. Number 4. Educational videos. The average CPM is $9.89. Number 3. Finance and investing. The average CPM is $12.25. Number 2. Social media marketing. The average CPM is $12.41. Number 1. Make money online. The average CPM is $13.52. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And leave a comment below.